fairy tale backstage. Every night, after mums finish reading storybooks to their kids, behind the scenes, the fairy tale characters get busy.
Time to start caring for the main character's costume. Please put it here.
Even the Little Red Riding Hood's cotton hood and Rapunzel's fluffy towel to dry her long hair, the mermaid's delicate costume. No problem with Bespoke AI Laundry Combo. AI wash and dry detects fabrics and soil levels to optimize wash and dry thoroughly.
Great work, everyone. Time to clock out.
Mom, read me one more story, please.
Oh, now that the costumes are clean, the fairy tale characters are even more excited. The perfect styles of the fairy tale characters were created with the Bespoke AI Laundry Combo. Enabling better living. Bespoke AI.